Hey everybody, Pocket Doc at Dark Angel Medical, and we are excited to talk to you about a new product coming out right now called the HEDR, HEDR, the Headrest Emergency Deployment Rig. This comes standard as you see it here with a cat tourniquet. You can also put another cat tourniquet or upgrade to a soft T wide. It's got a pair of mini shears on the back. It's got a quick grab handle that mounts to this piece of hook and loop webbing that goes through your headrest, and on the inside it's got everything available that our standard visor kits have them in them as well. You can also, in the front pocket here, you can throw like a SWAT tee, extra gloves, anything like that. Also comes in, besides black, it comes in wolf gray and also the coyote tan. So it mounts to the back of your headrest with that hook and loop band. Quick and easy deployment. Train with it, learn how to use it, carry it with you daily. Stay safe.